2021 iPhone rumored to be named as iPhone 13 with same mini, Pro and Pro Max variant as the last year. Also in the leaks we have the iPhone 14 which is coming with LTPO display in all the 4 models. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So the naming of the upcoming iPhone models is rather hard to predict because Apple does not always follow the same pattern. Sources are currently torn between the iPhone 12s and the iPhone 13 for the 2021 iPhone series. According to the citing industry sources and supply chain checks, the Economic Daily News claims that Apple will market the 2021 iPhone lineup as the iPhone 13 when it launch in late September. The report says that Apple will also retain the same existing moniker for different models variants, meaning the resulting lineup should include the iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Lately there has been a lot of speculation regarding the Apple 2021 iPhone branding. A recent survey indicates that around 20% of the customer would be put off by the iPhone 13 name due to the fear of number 13. Almost 40% of the customers suggested Apple should drop name altogether and market the next smartphone under the iPhone 2021 branding, a move that mimics the Apple's current iPad naming scheme. So guys, why Apple is unlikely to choose the iPhone 12s next? Well, the reason is simple. The S brand models are only those models which are coming with some small improvements. Since the iPhone 13 is going to be having much more improved, so that's why they are calling this as iPhone 13 instead of the iPhone 12s. The number one thing that has been improved is the display, which is going to be coming with 120Hz of ProMotion in the Pro and Pro Max models, while we also have a smaller notch instead of the last year iPhone 12 series. Anyhow, moving forward, all members of the iPhone 14 family to support 120Hz of LTPO OLED panel. It's probably clear by now that only the Pro models in the iPhone 13 lineup will feature 120Hz of LTPO OLED panels, with the vanilla iPhone 13 will be getting a 60Hz display. That's because only Samsung can make the LTPO screen and it does not have the capacity to produce enough unit. However, LG is hoping to step up the game and start producing the required panel for the next year. According to the Korean media outlet The Alec, the company could meet demands for the iPhone 14 launch. LG is already in a talk with Avco, which is supplying the LTPO panel making equipment and awaiting Apple approval for the production lineup. So guys, overall based on what we know so far, the 2021 iPhone will be featuring some notable improvements, a more advanced display, a smaller notch, always on display, and also we have the new camera sensor in the device, which makes the iPhone 13 to be one of the best iPhone currently available. Anyhow, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.